What began as a search operation in Kolkata has now spilled onto the streets of the national capital. On Friday, Trinamool Congress MPs were detained by Delhi police while protesting outside Union Home Minister Amit Shah's office, turning the Enforcement Directorate's raid on IPAC in Bengal a day before into a full-blown political confrontation between the TMC and the centre.
जो भी करते इस बीजेपी को हम हरा के रखेंगे। जो भी पुलिस लेके जा रही है, क्या कहेंगे प्रदर्शन हम करेंगे कि आप देख लें कि देश के लोग देख लें कि निर्वाचित सदस्य दिल्ली पुलिस
Look at this. You're seeing what is happening with Amit Shah's Delhi police. You're seeing what is happening to MPs. All our MPs have been picked up. Shut! Governor! Governor! No! Don't mention. ये मत करो. ये देखो क्या हो रहा है.
The political battle began after the ED conducted raids at the office of IPAC and the residence of its chief, Pratik Jain, in connection with an illegal coal mining case dating back to 2020. Overall, 6 premises in Bengal and 4 in Delhi were covered during the raids. As the searches continued, Mamata Banerjee visited IPAC's Salt Lake office, accused ED of a political vendetta. According to sources, the TMC raised concerns over alleged access to its confidential material related to the special intensive revision of electoral rolls and documents connected to the upcoming state elections.
Do you think there is going to be any information relating to any 10-year-old scam on the electronic devices of Pratik Jain? What will be there on those devices, on the laptops of IPAC, on the information of IPAC is going to be the election strategy and contemporaneous data of the TMC, which the ED was to politically burgle. Mamata Banerjee, as head of our party, is a tigress, and she has gone in and retrieved what is our property, what is our party's political property and political asset. The law fully allows you, if a robbery is going on, it fully allows you to go and to do whatever is required to stop your belongings from being robbed, and that is what Mamata Banerjee was doing, which is protecting the property of our party, protecting the political strategy, protecting our candidate list, protecting our documents, which the ED had no business going in and trying to get on behalf of the BJP.
The BJP hit back soon after. West Bengal Assembly Leader of the Opposition, Suvendu Adhikari, alleged the Chief Minister's visit during the raid was improper and amounted to interference in a central agency's probe. He demanded action.
Chief Minister, Administrative Chief of the state, with some DGP, including DGP, some IPS officer, जिस तरीके से स्नैच किया, ये तो पूरा देश ने बहुत इसके खिलाफ बोल रहा है. उन्होंने सीबीआई को केस ट्रांसफर करने की पिटीशन किया, एफआईआर रजिस्टर्ड करने की बात बताया, जो सीज हुआ पेपर्स और डिवाइस स्नैच हुआ है, रिकवरी का मांग किया है थ्रू सीबीआई, और साथ साथ काल इन्वेस्टिगेशन का दौरान जो लोग सीसीटीवी फुटेज वीडियो कैमरा में आया है, सीधा हस्तक्षेप किया, गैर कानूनी काम किया, उनके खिलाफ एफआईआर हो. कौन कौन थी सबको पता है. इसके ऊपर कोई दोहरा कोई सेकंड ऑप्शन नहीं है. इट्स ए कम्प्लीटली क्रिमिनल ऑफेंस. एक सीनियर पॉलिटिशियन, एक चीफ मिनिस्टर जो संविधान हाथ में रखते हुए ओथ लिया है, उनका इस तरीके से कार्रवाई सीधा संविधान के ऊपर हमला है.
The ED also issued its own version of events. It said everything was going smoothly till CM Mamata Banerjee arrived along with several police officers. It said the TMC chief entered Jain's residence and walked away with key evidences including physical documents and electronic devices. The ED added that the CM's convoy then went to the IPAC's office premises, from where too her aides and state police officers forcibly removed physical documents and electronic devices. It said Thursday's searches were evidence-based, not aimed at any political establishment or linked to elections, and done under legal safeguards. On Friday, TMC MPs including Derek O'Brien, Mahua Moitra, Sadapti Roy and Kirti Azad gathered outside Amit Shah's office with placards and slogans calling the raids a misuse of central agencies and alleging the action was politically motivated ahead of the West Bengal Assembly elections. During the protest, Delhi police detained the MPs and moved them to a police van. The developments have sharpened the standoff between the ruling party in West Bengal and that leading the government at the centre, with the next moves expected both on the streets and through official channels.